feedback persists. Feedback means if there are two systems A and B, some part of the energy is B is applied back to the system A. So if it is the process of injecting a fraction of output energy back to the input side, so it's known as the feedback process. The feedback process may be positive or negative depending upon output is in favor or it is in opposition with the input. If the output is in favor, then it is called positive feedback. If it is in opposition, it is called negative feedback. So with positive feedback, when the feedback energy is in phase with the input signal. So if the input signal is sinusoidal and it is passed to the amplifier, which gives a phase shift of 180 degree, then again if it is passed to the feedback network, it again gives the phase reversal of 180. The total phase reversal becomes 360. That the output signal becomes in phase. That's positive. Here is the input signal, which is sinusoidal. The sinusoidal signal is coming, and it gets to the amplifier. Amplifier is our common emitter amplifier, and signal is our voltage signal. So amplifier, common emitter amplifier, gives a phase reversal of 180 degree to the input signal, input voltage signal. It also amplifies it and also gives a phase reversal. As you are shown, is shown here, the phase reversal. This becomes the output signal, amplified output signal. So now this output signal is coming, and a part of it is taken back, and when it gets through the network is such that it again gives a phase reversal of 180 degree. The network is such that it decides a portion of the output signal as well as it again gives a phase reversal of 180 degree. So, and 180 plus 180 becomes 360. Then the feedback signal is coming. Now you're looking, it is a fraction, not shown here, but it is a fraction and it is in phase with the input signal. But the other feedback is negative when the output, when the feedback energy is in opposition with the input, is called negative feedback. So input signal is sinusoidal pass, so amplified gives the. Here is an input signal which is sinusoidal. This sinusoidal signal is coming, and when it passes to the amplifier is common emitter amplifier. It gives a phase reversal of 180 degree to the input signal, as well as it amplifies it. So this is amplified, and as well as there is a phase reversal. This output signal. The output signal is now coming. It is taken back, and when it gets through the feedback network, the feedback network decides its fraction, how much it is taken back, as well as the feedback network is such there is nothing happens any phase reversal now. So whatever the output signal, the same is the feedback signal which is get through the feedback network. There is no phase reversal now, so this fraction is coming, and when it reaches to the input signal, both the signal are now out of phase, so this becomes a negative feedback. Now input signal and output signal are out of phase.